Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to integrate Razorpay payment gateway in Shopify. Firstly, go to Razorpay's website, then click on sign up. Fill in your business details and verify your email or phone. Complete your KYC verification and wait for approval via WhatsApp, email or SMS. Now, visit Shopify App Store and search for Razorpay Secure. Click Install App and log into your Shopify store if prompt. On the landing page, choose I am an existing user. Enter your Razorpay API key and API secret. You can find these in your Razorpay dashboard under Settings, then API keys. Then click Activate. Now in your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Payments. Under Supported Payment Methods, click Manage next to Razorpay Secure. Scroll down and click Enable Test Mode for testing, then click Save. Now go to your online store and create a test order. At checkout, select Razorpay as the payment method. Use test card details from Razorpay's documentation to simulate payment and confirm that the test order appears in your Shopify orders dashboard. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.